Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cute Creations. And today what we are going to make, this is a very cute Minnie Mouse hairband stand. And in this hairband stand you can also store your hair accessories. So today we are going to learn how to make this. So come, let's start. So for this we need cardboard circle cutout of 14 centimeter, black paper, some glitter sheets, black glitter sheet, red glitter sheet, and we are going to make a cutout of Minnie Mouse of 16 centimeter. So our cardboard cutout is of 14 centimeter and the black sheet cutout will be of 16 centimeter so that it can cover the entire cardboard. We will also be using this Pringle box. You can use any other box which is round in shape, and we will take out the lid of the box and will put the marking on the cardboard. And we'll do the cutting. We will also cut the black sheet. Time for pasting all of them. So this will be the inside part where we are using the plain black color sheet like this. And we'll paste this cap of the Pringle box with the glue gun. You can use any glue. We will press it so that it goes inside this cutting and paste it nicely. Let's cover it up with the black paper. The same way we will cut it here also. And these glitter sheets will come in front side, so let's do the pasting. And once we finish the pasting, we will also press it from the corners, and we are going to take this box which I have covered it with the red color sheet. So we just have to take the red sheet and cover it all around. And now it's time to make the Minnie Mouse bow. So we will take red glitter sheet. If the glitter sheet is not available, you can use any foam sheet. Now let's decorate the bow. Girls really get excited when they see this Minnie Mouse. It's one of their favorite cartoon character. So it's ready and it's time to paste the box. So the lid side will remain open and this side we are going to paste our box. Once it is done, you can now close the box and our hairband stand is absolutely ready. You can hang the hairbands and you can also store some cute clips, your hair accessories inside it. You can arrange many hairbands together. You can arrange your hair accessories all together at one place. So it's really easy and it looks very cute. So it's ready. Store accessories inside the box, hang the hairbands on it, and I'm sure all the girls are going to love it. You can also use this on Valentine's Day. Your little girls are going to enjoy and they're going to love this craft activity. So I hope you all like and enjoy my video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and don't forget to press the bell icon.